Hey, I'm Kevin. Welcome back. It's day 5, and today is a bittersweet day. It's the end of our series, but I'm also super happy because we're going to go through each and every pattern from the series, spend a little time with the metronome, spend all of our time playing together. So get yourself tuned up, and let's get to it. Hey, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and click that alert bell so you know when the next video is coming your way. If you're interested in more learning resources, head over to allforuke.com where we have a full searchable library of songs, song sheets, practice tracks, worksheets, and more. All for you, allforuke.com. Let's travel all the way back to day 1 where we visited the alternate claw pattern. So the alternate claw pattern again was starting with our thumb on the C string, and we went thumb, and then in unison we plucked the E and the A string together, and then we alternated and put our thumb on the G string, and then we played same E and A string again. So the pattern is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So we're going to do each of these patterns at 2 different tempos, same chord progression for this first one here. So the chord progression will be C major to the E7, nice little dominant 7 there, into an A minor, and then we finish with F. So we'll do each chord one time through the pattern. So it'll sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So let's get the metronome started here. We'll start at 90 BPM. I'll give us a 4 count in. Just relax, have some fun, get those fingers loose. We're finger picking together. It's a beautiful day. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F. Back to C. One more time. All right, now we're going to bump the tempo up to 100 beats per minute. Here we go with a 4 count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and again. Keep your eyes on your left hand here. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now let's take a look at the pattern from day 2, which was the roll pattern, where we assign a finger to each string and roll down the strings G, C, E, A. So we count that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So the progression we'll use for this exercise here will go from C, which I'm playing with my pinky, and only doing that because I'm moving to an F minor chord. So I'm setting myself up to go into this chord position here for F minor. Our third chord is A minor, and then we return back to F minor. So the pattern will sound like this over the chords: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... All right, now we're going to work on our timing with the metronome here. Here we go at 100 beats per minute with a 4 count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to C, F minor, A minor, F minor, again, 1 and 2 and 3 Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, let's bump the tempo up to 110 now. So we're going to be cruising a little bit. If you need to spend more time at 100 beats or slower, feel free to do so. Here we go with a 4 count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Stay nice and loose. Don't forget to smile. We're playing some uke. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Hey, Kevin here. Exciting news for you guys. I have a new offering. I've partnered with a company called Zip to offer one-to-one performance coaching. All that means is you submit a video to me with your questions, concerns on the uke. I submit a video back to you with tips, tricks, and some exercises to help you get through those little mogul hills. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to sign up. Let's have some fun together. In day 3, we checked out the roll pattern in 6/8, so we're going to revisit that now. The pattern starts with our thumb. Again, we're just assigning a finger to each string. We play thumb on the G string, and we roll right down. C, E, A, then we go back to E and C. So we count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P, I, M, A, M, I. So that's the pattern. The chord progression we'll use here is D major to G major, D major to A7. So a nice easy chord progression here so we can really focus on the finger picking pattern. I'm going to start the tempo at 170 beats per minute. Make sure that metronome is set to 6/8 when you're doing this at home, and we'll count in with a 6 count this time. So here we go at 170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're doing the pattern twice on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, same progression, same pattern. We're bumping the tempo up to 180. I'll give us a 6 count in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Back to the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For our final exercise here, we're going to use the reverse roll pattern. I've got a couple of really cool chords picked out for you here. Let's revisit the reverse roll pattern really quick. So we start with our thumb on the G string, and again we're assigning a finger to each string. We play thumb, and then we go down to the A string where we pluck the ring finger E string middle finger, C string index. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that equals 1 time, or 1 time through the measure. So the 2 chords that we're going to use here for this final exercise, pretty beautiful chords. So I've got A major 7, which I'm using index and middle finger on the G and the C string here of the 1st fret. And then I'm just pushing my middle finger out to the 2nd fret, keeping my index finger on the 1st fret. This becomes an E7 sus4. So a beautiful sounding chord move here. So here's what the pattern will sound like when we play it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 2 times on each chord. We're going to set the metronome to 130 beats per minute. I'll give us a 4 count in. Here we go, home stretch. I hope you're having fun finger picking with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good test of endurance. How long can you concentrate on these 2 chords? Here we go now at 140 beats per minute. I'll give us a 4 count in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Well, thank you so much for joining me for level 2 of finger picking. I hope you've enjoyed these new patterns, learned some new techniques. Take your time with all of these finger picking patterns. You don't have to learn them all in one sitting. Take a little bit at a time, spend some time with your metronome, and really hone in on your finger picking skills. It's a lot of fun. I have a lot of exercises at allforuke.com where you can practice these patterns. I'll put together some practice tracks as well, so you can download the tracks, take them with you, practice them anywhere you want. My name is Kevin. I hope to see you back here for finger picking level 3 maybe in the future. We'll see. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Let's get